This is lesson 13-3, applying ratios. Our essential question, how can tape diagrams and double number line diagrams be used to solve ratio problems? So this is an example of a tape diagram, and this is an example of a double number line. No vocab for this lesson. Example number 1. Kate can run 2 miles in 23 minutes. At this rate, how long will it take her to run 10 miles? Draw a double number line diagram showing Kate's distance and time. So I already set it up partially. Now, a double number line looks exactly like it says. It's 2 lines going across with lines going down all the way through them. So it's almost like a ratio table, but we're going to be writing our numbers above and below the lines. So let's go ahead and start this. So Kate can run 2 miles. So that's my distance in 23 minutes, and that is my time. So 2 miles in 23 minutes. At this rate, how long will it take her to run 10 miles? So I know I need to get to 10 in my distance. So let's count by 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then I can stop. And so now I'm going to count by 23's on the bottom. 23, 46, 69, 92, and 115. So, she can run 10 miles in 115 minutes. So that's how we set up our double number line. Example number 2. Ty is making some trail mix based on a recipe that combines 2 cups of nuts with 3 cups of granola. If Ty has 6 cups of nuts, how many cups of granola should he use? Draw a tape diagram. So I want you to pay careful attention to the tape diagram. So we have 2 cups of nuts. So to represent my 2 cups, I draw 2 boxes. That's all I did. I have 2 cups of nuts, so I draw 2 boxes. And then I have 3 cups of granola. So I write granola. And since I have 3 cups of this, I draw 3 boxes. Now it says, if Ty has 6 cups of nuts, so I know that my nuts have to equal 6 all together. And I have 2 boxes. So 6 cups divided by the 2 boxes equals 3. So that's how many goes in each box. 3. And then the same number goes in the boxes for granola. 3 for each. So how many cups of granola will he have? Well, now we can just count. 3, 6, 9 cups of granola. Example number 3. Angela is helping her father paint a fence. She can paint 3 sections of the fence in 25 minutes. How many minutes will it take Angela to paint 12 sections of the fence? Draw a double number line. So I drew the double number line. I put my 2 categories, which was sections and minutes. So to start out with, she can paint 3 sections in 25 minutes. But what we want to know is how many minutes is it going to take her to paint 12 sections. So I know I need to get to 12 sections. So I'm going to go count by threes until I get to 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. And then on the bottom, I'm going to count by 25. So 25, 50, 75, 100. So it is going to take her 100 minutes. Example number 4. 2 cars are needed for every 6 people attending the show. How many cars will be needed if there's 72 people attending the show? Draw a tape diagram. Okay, so here we go again. We have cars, and there's 2 cars, so I draw 2 boxes. And then we have 6 people, so I draw 6 boxes. Now we want to know is how many cars are needed if there's 72 people attending. So 72 people is my total. I'm just looking at the people part right now. So I have 72 people, and I have to divide that up between my 6 boxes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes here, which equals 12. So that's how much goes in each box. So that goes in all the boxes for the cars and all the boxes for the people. So let's think about this really quick. We know that there's 72 people. So that makes sense that there would be 12 in each of these boxes, because if I add 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12, I'm going to get 72. But that's not what I want to know right now. I want to know how many cars are needed. So here's my cars. I have 2 of them with 12 in there each. So 12 plus 12 equals 24 cars. Okay, here are your 2 practice problems. Don't forget a word problem or a question, and rate your understanding.